Thermostat wire showing intermittent HVAC response, random heating or cooling cycles, or a flickering display usually means the conductor is making poor or no contact at the terminal. Fix it now to stop inconsistent performance and equipment stress. For a reliable repair, start by turning off power at the breaker and labeling each wire with small tape so you never swap zones. Then remove the thermostat cover and gently pull the base away to expose the terminal block while keeping track of the wall plate orientation. Inspect each conductor end. If strands are frayed or nicked, cut back a 1/4 inch and re-strip straight so you have a clean, solid end. Or better, use a ferrule on stranded wire to prevent stray strands from shorting. When you seat the wire under screw terminals, place the bare conductor under the retaining prong or loop it clockwise around the screw so tightening draws the wire in, not out. For push-in terminals, verify the wire diameter matches the terminal spec and that insulation is fully retracted from the contact. Tighten screws to the torque recommended by the thermostat maker, typically snug but not crushing. Too loose equals intermittent contact. Too tight risks breaking thin conductors. If the wire is side-slipped in a plastic block, reposition it so the conductor points straight into the terminal, not at an angle, and replace any cracked blocks. For long runs, check voltage drop and test continuity with a multimeter to rule out broken conductors. Also test for induced noise on control lines when running near high voltage cables and reroute thermostat wiring if necessary. Finally, when reassembling, power the system and monitor for a full cycle while watching the thermostat display and listening for clear relay clicks. If glitches persist, replace the terminal block or run a new cable rather than chasing intermittent faults. One of the top 3 common thermostat wiring mistakes is loose terminal connections, causing intermittent HVAC performance. Fix by cutting and re-striping, using ferrules on stranded wire, and tightening to manufacturer torque specs. Second is miswiring or swapped wires, creating wrong mode operation and short cycles. Solve by labeling wires at removal, consulting the wiring diagram, and confirming terminal identity with a continuity test. Third is running thermostat wire alongside high voltage lines, which induces noise and erratic control signals. Remedy by rerouting the wire at least 12 inches away or using shielded thermostat cable and grounding the shield properly. BigHomeProjects.com lists vetted local HVAC contractors and hands homeowners clear profiles, reviews, and service scopes to match the exact thermostat and wiring expertise needed. For contractors, BigHomeProjects.com generates qualified leads by showcasing skills and certifications, so you get targeted jobs and homeowners find trusted help fast.